arbitrationagreements.org. Every year, millions of workers face injuries on the job, and for many, workers' compensation cases become their lifeline. Mediation is a critical part of this journey, and the statistics are quite compelling. Before we assess the percent of workers' comp cases settled through mediation, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low whenever problems occur. According to a study by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, about 2.8 million non-fatal workplace injuries and illnesses were reported in the United States last year. These numbers are staggering and bring to light the importance of workers' compensation. In workers' compensation disputes, mediation is often a preferred method for resolution, providing a quicker and often less stressful way for parties to come to an agreement. But how many of these cases actually reach a settlement during mediation? Research suggests that the majority of workers' comp cases that go to mediation do indeed settle. Specifically, a study published in the Journal of Legal Studies found that about 75% of workers' comp mediation cases reach a settlement. This high percentage indicates that mediation offers a constructive platform for negotiation, where parties can openly communicate their needs, concerns, and demands. It's a space where empathy, understanding, and compromise can lead to resolution. However, it's important to remember that every case is unique, with its own complexities and variables. Although the statistics lean heavily towards settlement in mediation, the outcome will always depend on the specifics of the case and the parties involved. Understanding these statistics helps paint a clearer picture of workers' compensation claims and the role of mediation. It underscores the importance of being well prepared, whether you're an employer or an injured worker. With the right information, you can make informed decisions about your case and potentially reach a fair and satisfactory settlement. If you want to learn more information about how to settle cases through mediation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. Also, what do you think about mediation? Does it seem like a strong alternative to having to litigate in a courtroom? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you succeed.